Welcome to our Everyday Gaeilge series, How to Say in Irish. We specialise in Irish you can actually use every day and Irish especially for parents. You can check out the links below for our Gaeilge guides for parents, but let's get into it. Welcome to this video. We're going to look at how to say Happy Christmas as Gaeilge in Irish. So Happy Christmas is Nollaig Chona. Nollaig Chona. Nollaig is actually a feminine noun, so it adds a shevu to its adjective afterwards if that letter can take a shevu. So sonna, which is happy, changes to chona. So it's Nollaig Chona. Now, how to say Happy Christmas to you? In Munster, it would be Nollaig Chona Duts. Nollaig Chona Duts. Nollaig Chona Duts. In Connacht, it's Nollaig Chona Chuts. Nollaig Chona Chuts. And in Ulster, it's Nollaig Chona Duts. Nollaig Chona Duts. Check us out at gaelschoolonline.com, link in the description for Irish guides for parents so you can start learning real Gaeilge for the home and pass it on to the children. That's all, enjoy, you know the drill. Click subscribe and hit the bell for lots more everyday Gaeilge.